God dang personal hygienators. Alright. Planet Notak.
Too late again. We always seem to be a bit late. Why is that? Well, let's check this place out and find out where he's headed.
For a map, press Select or R3.
Oh, see, like 12 or 13-year-old me probably wouldn't have gotten that joke. Alright, let's max out the ammos. The pulse rifle. Mini turret gun is actually a little bit more handy, so we're going to jump on that. But first, we got to max out this blitz gun. You get a lot of bullets on this level. There's a ton of destructible things in this level. So, it's a good one. Alright, so the bridge we can't go across yet, so we need to go this way. Whoa! Get back. Don't be shooting me. Get back. I need more. Oh wow, that can crush you. Did not know that. And if I don't pay attention, I'm gonna die. Okay, that sounded good. Oh shit. I didn't even know they were there. Okay. There we go. Apparently these little duck things just keep spawning. At least that's what it seems like. Can't touch that. Up we go. Come on now. And I'm dead. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's do this. So I ran out of bullets for my blitz gun, but you can see the seeker gun in action. There we go. Nanotech up. Come on. Shit. Ran out of bullets again. Come on. Whoa. Ugh, there you go. Alright, we need to get some ammo. Okay, where we go? Across the bridge. Did we go over here yet? No, we didn't. Let's go ahead and get this. Crack these boxes open. Go back this direction for no reason. Come on, we need more blitzgun ammo. Oh, I haven't even really used a gravity bomb. Let me use that a little bit. Boom! Destruction. Whoa, okay. Use the multi-star for a little bit.
Weapon has a lock-on mod. Hold both L2 and R2 to lock on to enemies.
Whoa! Told you this weapon is awesome. When you level that thing up, that thing is great. Yeah, alright. I'm like so close to having that blitz gun leveled up, so it's like really irritating me that... Oh yeah.
You have found a nanotech boost. Nanotech boosts instantly increase your maximum nanotech capacity.
Did something. Yes, we did. Alright. Whoa, okay. Do one quick thing real fast. Alright. Get the blitz gun out and let's do this. Come on, level up. There we go. Blitz cannon. I'll use this for just a little bit so you can see how ridiculous now the weapon is now. Boom. Yeah, don't stand in this thing's way. It's death. So we'll level up the seeker gun next, so you can be using this for a little while. Make sure I get all these bolts. There's just a ton in this level. So we're already back up to 7,000. Some in here. Need the Thermomater so we can get across there. Freeze! Shit, I need to get back up here. And up, there we go. Alright, what's going on up here, guys? This is the only downfall about this one is there is literally no crowd control with this. So you want to kind of use the seeker gun when you have like maybe one target, like one big target. It's a big time to use it. Don't really want to use it when there's a crowd. Okay, what we got going on? Holy shit! Blow it up. I'm gonna try to use the gravity bomb here for a little bit. Really? Wow, one direct shot didn't kill him. Oh, there's still one alive. Got him. That was crazy. Alright, back to, well, we can't really use the seeker gun there, so we'll show off. We show off the turret gun? Ah, we'll use this. Oh my god. So something like this is when you want to use the seeker gun. Until you level up. When you level up, it's a little bit more of a crowd control weapon, but for right now, this is about the best you're going to get with it. And we're going to switch to the Heavy Lancer for a little bit. Just because we're running a little low on ammo and... You know, this thing's just still pretty damn powerful at this point in the game. It definitely gets weaker as we get a little bit further on, but for now it's still pretty good. Let's go! Across the way! Boom! More nanotech, that's what I'm talking about. All this shaking going on, it's giving me a headache. Okay. Let's go over here real fast. Get the seeker gun back out again, and I believe we gotta go through here. Okay, just kidding. We gotta go up the elevator. Continue point. Got it. Shit. Oh.
Psst. Got a ship that needs, improvements? Worried about getting caught? At Slim Cognitos, your secret is safe with us. Whether it's weapons, shielding, or a new hyperspace module, we'll hook you up quickly, cheaply, and most important, quietly. So next time you're in the market for some, legally ambiguous refashioning, remember the name. Slim Cognitos. The only inspections we pass are yours.
Starship mods. Well, a quick visit to Slim's wouldn't cost us much time. Or maybe we should check out that chemical factory. Someone inside might know where the thief was headed.
Let's go. Gotta love how big the maps are. Remember, I said, for those that didn't know, this is a 12-year-old game. Nearly 13-year-old game. Like, this still holds up really well. I love it. It holds up so much better to me than the first game. Like, Up Your Arsenal still holds up really well. You'll be damned impressed with that one. Alright, into the factory. Clear a path with a seeker gun here, and then we're gonna bust out the old blitz cannon and just blow this shit up. Alright, we're gonna switch something real quick. I'm gonna take off the tractor beam, and we're gonna put the turret gun into mini turret club in there. So what that does, just as it sounds, drops you a turret. Boom. It's pretty handy. You can use it just to waste away some people. If you like got a room with about 1 million guys, throw them down first, throw out the blitz cannon, game over. I'll kind of use this for a little bit so you guys can see how powerful it is. There we go. Alright, we're gonna have to use the old whatchamacallit here. Can't get that high, so alright. Gotta use the Thermomater. Get us across over here. It's up top. There we go. Or give us a ledge. Come on. Oh. There we go. Bridge over to the next here. Let's just not fall off. Goodbye. Back to Thermomater so we can get over here. Alright. Up this way, and I believe that's, no. We're good. I hit him through the pipe. I don't think we can get up there yet, so we need to go... Yeah, we gotta get down there. Alright. So we get this bridge, and we need to use the Thermomater again so we get back in the water. Okay. That allows us to go through this way. Alright, so yeah, we gotta get back on the ledge, and then we use the ice to climb back to the top. We got it. Thermomater again. Ice this bad boy back on up. Oh, alright. Nothing over that way. Plowing right on through this. I love it. I love when I get good speed and I'm good enough with a game that I can just plow right through it. I hate having to go and edit videos where I'm really bad at this with Batman. Alright, blast it now. Perfect. There we go. It's literally every time that I talk about how good I am at a game, I will die right after that. Alright, this one we need to go low. Let's go over there and get the boxes first. Okay. Oh, I know how to do this. Do it now. Get it about halfway up. Perfect. I know how to do this. See? I'm so smart. That only took me like 4 tries. It's fine. Yeah, we gotta get back on the other side, so need to melt it, let it get higher, and then go to the other side. Perfect. Here we go. Ah. Okay. One more to get across that way, so let's get it all the way down, and if I have to come back and do it again, we'll do it again. Oh shit. Rip that. Oh, we got it. I didn't think I had it. That didn't make any sense to me. Alright. Alright, here we go. Almost there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's another one? Why do they have this here for? This makes no sense. If I can't grab it, why? Ugh. God, I was sitting there just 5 minutes ago bragging about, oh yeah, I'm so good at these games, man. I'm so good. And then here we are. Not that good. Let's just do first person. Get on with this. Melt it, freeze it. Go down. There. Should be able to get under it from there. Yeah, here we go. Alright, now we're out of here.
Perhaps these robots can assist us.
Excuse me? Have you seen any masked weirdos?
I think I had better do the talking. A masked customer picked up an order not long ago. Recently, they received a new transmission from him. and they are willing to show it to us for a small price.
6,000. Jesus, you ripped me off.
Hello, yes. Hey! Yes, I need to order 2 more containers of sulfuric acid. Oops. Better make that 5 containers and 4 containers of liquid hydrogen. Oops. Better add 6 crates of nitroglycerin and... Look, just give me double there. And I need it delivered.
Hey, what? What?
Oh, nothing. Just some robot humor.
Okay, funny guy. Let's just head to those coordinates.
Okay, off to the planet Siberius. Again, probably the best feature that any game at this point in time had ever mentioned. Way to get back to the beginning of the level quickly. I don't know how you can't just overstate how awesome it is. Back in 2002, 2003, when these games were coming out, they didn't have this anywhere. It was a pain in the ass to get from point A to point B, and then back to point A. And then this come along, and then this just changes everything. It's great. Alright, let's head on out of here. Alright, let's head to the ship shack real quick. Even though I still have no platinum bolts, so there's not really much reason to come out here. We do have rare titanium, so we got 20, so we can get a torpedo launcher. We're gonna do the shielding system. That is, yeah, that's the only thing that we're gonna do. Alright, let's go. Frozen Base Siberius. Alright guys, we're going to stop it here. I'll pick it back up on the next episode. Guys, take care. Take it easy. Bye.